Back with Bastons, hope you're all well, I hope you're all keeping safe. Today I'm at the Watch Repair Centre based in Old Eldon Square, Newcastle upon Tyne. I'll put a link in the description below. I said in a vlog a while back how I felt that the vintage Rolexes were better buys than the modern day Rolexes, but more importantly, I feel that the vintage Rolexes have a look, feel and charm about them that the modern day Rolexes will never ever have. Yes, the modern day Rolex is a better made watch, but I don't think it will ever have that charm and elegance that the vintage Rolexes have. And I have a very good example of a vintage Rolex here with me today. It is a 4-digit red line Submariner. I think this watch is amazing. It has a bi-directional bezel. It doesn't click. It has a plexiglass instead of a sapphire crystal. It has holes driven through the lugs in order to fix the bracelet into place. The bracelet is hollowed out, so it feels a little bit flimsy and rattly. I really like the feel of that, and the sound of it too. The clasp is just milled out. This watch is elegance personified. It has a class about it that a modern day Submariner does not have. And if I was to spend, round about £20,000 on a Rolex watch, I know where my money would be going. Stay safe and stay tuned.